nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited.
A couple more selfies with the dragon blood trees and the desert rose trees. We're actually heading over to one of the beaches here, one of the lagoons on the west side, and today will be our last glance at the dragon blood trees. So yeah, trying to take everything in. Whole bunch of flies here, so it's a little bit annoying. Tired, and you know, they kind of stack up. So yeah, whole bunch of flies this morning, barely any the previous night. Not sure exactly why that's the case, but yeah, trying to absorb everything, trying to absorb the beauty before heading off to another beach here in Socotra, and then tomorrow heading over to, well, I think it's tomorrow. I really have no idea what date today is, but yeah, on Monday, because there are only flights on Monday that go back to Abu Dhabi. So yeah, a couple more days here on the island of Socotra, a couple more episodes, and then heading off back to Abu Dhabi, and then 3 more days back to Romania. How every morning started here in Socotra. Tea, instant coffee, and beautiful views. And if you have seen the previous episode, you definitely remember this spot. Actually, we had to come back the same way. We could not go above the mountains. But yeah, always a pleasure to revisit this spot. While others are taking a small little bath, going a little bit deep into the canyon, trying to explore different views, trying to see exactly what else it has to offer. I was told this canyon has around 5 kilometers or so, way smaller than the other one where we visited the pools with the white rocks, but still this one has different type of boulders. This is exactly what I was talking about. Different perspectives, different points of view at every step. Here's an example of a baby dragon tree. They're protected by walls in order for goats not to eat them. So that's the good part, that you know, steps are being taken in order to protect the dragon tree. I was not aware, but finally our guide showed us this protected area. So what you've seen there, 20 years old, 30 years old, they planted around, you know, 500-600. Half them died, half them survived. So yeah, that's the good part about it. And back in the 70s, South Yemen received a whole bunch of Russian tanks, and they were just left afterwards on the beach here. And now tourists take photos with them. Nah. Creo. And a quick look inside the tank. Completely dark. So before going to the boat to do a little bit of sailing, check out the views that we have. Tremendous. the other side, just as spectacular as the previous one, but this one with the mountains in the background. Everywhere you look, just marvelous views. The white, the pure white with the pure turquoise, they go so well. And as always, never forget to look back. A lot of times you just go forward, but a lot of the views come when looking backwards. So because the boat was not able to make it today, in order to take us to the sea, we came to the boat. Well, we just came to the fish market at the city. Nothing else to do this evening. Just wait for the sunset here in about a couple of hours. But yeah, check out the beautiful mountains in the background. And the city itself, very, very small city. But just super cool with the backdrop, with the mountains. And there they are, the kids here say hello no matter what. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. They're a little bit shy, but everyone greeted us when we came with our vehicle through the city. A whole bunch of dead fish all throughout the beach. But yeah, right now it's Ramadan and actually no one's eating. All the shops are closed, pretty much everything is closed. Some people were telling our driver that he should not be keeping the tours in Socotra because of Ramadan, but you know, he's a little bit open-minded and he doesn't listen. So, you know, that's good for us. And we got the future fishermen of Socotra. Assalamu alaikum. The captain. You the captain? We got swings everywhere, in dragon trees and on boats. Woo! 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 The future artists, the singers of Socotra. Hey, 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 hey. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Check out this crab at sunset. Humongous, with the beautiful mountains in the back. Little crab. See how close we can get. He's moving away. Stay there, little buddy. Stay there. And guys, putting an end to this video, the first official ending of a video in Socotra. Just took a shower. We have showers, you know, semi showers here at our campsite, and took a shower and decided to go to a cliff to witness the sunset. But we got cloudy weather this evening and the clouds are really thick, and you can't even see the sun, you know, shape like we've seen in previous days. But no worries, it's a little bit cooler right now, so you know, giving the skin a chance to recuperate, you know, feel the chill air. And yeah, I'm gonna go back and have supper and continue on the adventure here in Socotra. One more day and most likely one more video. Not sure exactly besides the boat ride, you know, with the fishermen and all that, what we're gonna see, because everything, you know, everything was done, you know, what we proposed here in Socotra. Well, except a few little things that, you know, they were frugal things, you know, they didn't matter that much. But yeah, fantastic island. I have, you know, it's tough, no doubt. It's tough at times in the tent, depending on the weather conditions, how windy it is. But it's all worth it. It's all worth it in the end, at least once. Crabs everywhere. Gotta be careful where you step. But yeah, it's worth at least once in your life to make the effort. You know, it is an effort, you know, financial wise, time wise, you know, risk wise, with airplanes being canceled and so on. You know, it's developing. The Emirates and the Saudis are investing a lot of money. You know, there are politics always involved, but tourism is the only financial source of the island. So, you know, if things are going to develop, we'll see more hotels, more than just two. I believe there are only 2 hotels right now on the island, or 3 maybe. Some people said 3, but we just seen 2, the Diamond and another one that we passed by in Hadibo. But yeah, everything else is campsite. But yeah, enough blabbing. Filming on my phone, realized that over 2 minutes this blabbing ending of the video. Thank you for tuning in once again. If you have not seen the previous episodes from Socotra, definitely head over. They're beautiful. You will see some landscapes, you will see some flora that you will never see anywhere else. Go on Instagram, see some remarkable photos, not of me, but just of the landscape from Socotras, some videos and so on that I have not posted here. But yeah, once again, thanks for tuning in. Share it with whoever you think might enjoy this video or would like to see the landscapes of Socotra. Gratitude should be the only attitude. Stay humble. I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue.